Hey friends, if you wish to copy, cut and paste on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the shortcuts, and the shortcuts are all that are required because at times the longer methods, the right click methods don't even work. So for cutting anything, the command is Control plus X. I'll press Control plus X to cut this, and to paste it, the command is Control plus V. So I cut and paste it here. Now, as for copying and pasting it, I will copy this one with Control plus C, and then I will paste here with Control plus V. So Control plus X to cut, Control plus C to copy, and then Control plus V to paste. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.